Welcome to my new add-on. It's called Fantasy Roof Generator. In this video I'm gonna give you a common overview about this add-on. In the first part I show you for quick examples, so you can see what you can achieve with it in a very short time. And in the second part I show you some more render examples. So let's get started. So let's add a cube. If you activate the roof add-on now, it will disappear because there's no geometry for the roof yet. So let's change that. You can adjust every single part of the roof, for example here the roof beams. You also have several options for the top roof edges. The random height will give every tile a separate height. There's an overlap mode and also a chaos mode, which will rotate the tiles randomly to make it look more broken. And you can add rain gutters to the roof. There are several adjustments here. You can increase the resolution for closer renders, for example. You can change the height and scale the length, and you can also adjust the width. So, and here is the result. In this example, we will destroy a part of the roof, but we have to generate a basic roof first. There are 15 tile prefabs you can choose of. Let's select the wooden roof tiles. Now we delete some roof tiles randomly and randomize the width a little bit. Let's change the top roof edges to broken ridge. You can also add side elements by simply changing the quad faces to tris faces. Another feature of this add-on is to add chimneys. It's easy to create by just clicking wherever you want the chimney to be, and you can simply adjust the position and the scale of the chimneys. You can choose between 3 chimney prefabs, but you can also use your own chimneys, just like you can use your own models for every roof tile. I have made a separate video for this. The link is in the description below. The deform tool is another feature. It is easy to use, just like the chimney feature. You can choose between 5 deform types, and you can adjust the strength and the radius of the deformation. Now we have everything in place, we are ready to destroy the roof. The destruction feature is similar to the deform feature, and it works for every part of the roof. So, and we are done. Now I will show you how to generate a round roof and an angularly round roof. We will start with the cube again, make 2 knife cuts and rise the middle vertex. Now we have a simple 4-sided roof, and by activating the round roof button, it will change to a round roof shape. Let's change the tiles, and by adjusting the line amount, the tiles will have the correct distance in the Z direction to another. Let us disable the random rotation and enable the edge corners. They are now far too much, so let's decrease their number to 8. You can choose between 4 top points, but like I have said before, you can also use your own model creations. Or you can, if you want, disable the top points, just as you can disable every other part of the roof, like tiles, edges, roof beams, and so on. To finalize this, let's adjust the edge position a little bit. And we are done. In this example, we will create a hipped roof with a different shape. We will start with a cube. Select the top face, press I and scale it on the Y-axis. Then rise the face on the Z-axis. Let's add the roof and change the tiles to round wooden roof tiles. Now we scale the tiles to make them bigger and adjust the line count so that they have the right distance to another. By activating the alternate tile button, you can change the tile position to an alternate form. Now we randomize the width, angle and length to make it look more diversified. In the next step, we have to adjust the edge count and also randomize the edge angle a bit. Now we change the top roof edge. You can either take your own models here, or you can choose between 15 different prefabs. Let's now adjust the roof shape. You can choose between 5 variations. The base shape is the shape that the default roof has. And then there are 4 stylized roof shapes. The first one is a classic S shape. The second one will bend inwards. The third one is also a S shape, but with focus on the bottom part. And the last one is a shape that will bend outwards. Let's take here the second shape and make some adjustments. So let's take a look at the result.